how to find your settings on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your settings on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. And now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there. And here you have at the bottom two options, which is parental control and settings. Now here you have your settings: account, privacy, notifications, language, whatever you want, you can fix your settings. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.